Hi, second graders. Mrs. Briggs here with Module 2, Lesson 8's Deep Dive. You will need your Plains Indians book and your blue student workbook. Today we will create sentences with irregular plural nouns. Let's start by looking at the picture on page 26. You can either just look at the pictures on the screen or get your book and follow along. Who is holding the baby? It is a woman holding the baby. What is the plural of woman? One woman, many what? Right, whoa. Women. We talked about how irregular plural nouns aren't just adding an S or an ES to the end. The word changes without adding an S or an ES at the end to show that there's more than one. We are going to look at a few different photos in your Plains Indians book. We're going to write some captions to each picture on handout 8B. So open your blue student workbook to handout 8B. Irregular plural nouns. We'll go through each page together and write down a caption and look for those irregular plural nouns in each caption. We're going to copy that plural noun into the chart at the bottom. So on the right side it says plural on the bottom chart here. So we'll write the plural nouns on the right side and then the singular form on the left. Okay, so let's start with page 14. Take a look at the picture. Think about what you see. Remember, a caption describes what is happening in the picture. So looking at this picture, think about what you see and what is going on here. What irregular plural noun, what might we use in this caption? Let's take a look at what the caption is. The caption says, bison roamed the Great Plains in enormous herds. So our irregular plural noun in this caption is bison. So we're going to write bison at the bottom on the right side. What is the singular form of bison? It's still bison. Remember, that's one of those irregular ones where it doesn't actually change. So one bison, many bison. The same thing. We say it the same way. Oh, so then you're going to write this in your workbook for page 14. Bison roamed the Great Plains in enormous herds. You can pause the video if you need more time to write that. And then we are going to move on to the next one, page 19. So take a look at page 19 and look at the picture on that page. Think about what that picture is showing and what the caption might say. Let's take a look at what the caption is. The caption is, women tanned bison hides to make clothes and other objects. Our irregular plural there is women. So we already had bison. I didn't save it, but that's okay. And bison. Then we have women with an EN is the plural. So one would be, right, woman. One woman, many women. So again, pause the video here if you need more time to write the caption for page 19. Women tanned bison hides to make clothes and other objects. I'm going to copy this box over to the next page. We're looking at page 21 next. Page 21. Oops. Let's put this up here. All right, so let's look at this picture. What do we see? What could the caption be for this picture? Well, it looks like corn, right? Let's see what the caption is. Corn was a basic crop for plains farming tribes. Our plural there is tribes. I'll write it on the right side, tribes. Many tribes, one tribe. Again, pause the video if you need more time to write that caption for page 21. And our last one will be page 27. I'm going to take this again from here. Take a look at the picture on page 27. Think about what the caption might be. What might the caption be for that picture? Let's find out. This one's a little longer. Family was very important to early as well as modern American Indians. Adults taught children the skills they would need to survive. So on this one, our plural noun is children. Children, many children, one what? What's the singular of children? Yes, it's child. Many children, one child. Again, pause the video if you need more time to write down the caption for page 27. Okay, so now we have our captions written in and we have our plural form on the bottom chart on the right and our singular on the left. Take a moment to look through that and make sure you have it all filled out. And our final step that we are going to do today is to underline the irregular plurals in the caption sentences. So we're going to look for our plurals and we're going to underline them. Now, this is a little easier because we already wrote them at the bottom. So in our first sentence, our first caption, bison roamed the Great Plains in enormous herds. Our irregular plural noun will be bison. Underline bison. Our next caption is women tanned bison hides to make clothes and other objects. What is our irregular plural noun on this caption? Yes, it's women. So we're going to underline that. And then our next one is corn was a basic crop for plains farming tribes. Now our plural here is tribes. But is that an irregular plural noun? We just threw on an S there, but it's our plural in that sentence. And the last one, family was very important to early as well as modern American Indians. Adults taught children the skills they would need to survive. What's our irregular plural? Children. Good. Make sure you have your irregular plural nouns underlined and that you have your captions written in and your chart filled in at the bottom. If you did all that, you are all done. Great job today and have a wonderful rest of your day.